Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 11.2. Find the derivative of following with respect to x. So first let's take up the first one, which is 2x plus 1 by x, the whole square. So before we do the differentiation, this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So first let's expand that. So a plus b the whole square is a square, so 2x the whole square plus b square, so 1 by x the whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into 2x into 1 by x. So I can strike out the x. Now let's write the final answer. This is going to be 4x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 4. So this is what we have just expanded for the given function. Now let's do the differentiation for this. So 4x squared, if I have to differentiate, this is 4 into differentiation of x squared plus 1 by x squared, I can write it as x power minus 2. So that is what I need to differentiate plus differentiation of 4. So let's start doing the differentiation. 4 into differentiation of x squared is 2x plus differentiation of x power minus 2 is going to be, remember the formula, x power n's differentiation is n x power n minus 1. So this is going to be minus 2 into x power minus 3. And finally, the differentiation of constant is 0. So I'm not placing anything here. So this is going to be 8x minus 2x to the power minus 3. I can simplify and write this as 8x minus 2 by x cubed. Now let's take up the second expression in this question, which is root x plus 1 by root x the whole squared. Again, here it is of the form a plus b the whole square. So first we're going to use the formula to expand it. A square is root x the whole square, which is simply x. B square is 1 by root x the whole square, so it is 1 by x plus 2ab, 2 into root x into 1 by root x, where I can strike out this. So expanded answer is x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now let's start to differentiate this. Differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of x power minus 1 is minus 1 into x power minus 2. Differentiation of 2 is 0, so I'm not writing anything here. So this is going to be 1 minus 1 by x squared. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.